Excuse me. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Are you from this city?
Yes, I live here. What about you?
I arrived 2 days ago. I am here for a short trip.
That is nice. Where are you from?
I am from Toronto, Canada.
Oh, I know Toronto. It is a beautiful city.
Thank you. Do you like living here?
Yes, I like it. The city is warm and friendly.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work in an office. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English to kids.
That sounds fun. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
How long will you stay in this city?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
Do you have plans for this weekend?
Not yet. I want to explore the city.
You should visit the big park near the lake. It is very nice.
I love parks. Do you go there often?
Yes, I go there to walk and listen to music.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I do. There are many good restaurants here.
Great. I want to try local food too.
If you want, I can show you some places.
That would be great. Thank you, Leo.
No problem. I am happy to help.
Leo, do you like this city so far?
Yes, I like it a lot. Everything feels new.
Do you walk around the city every day?
Yes, I walk in the evenings. Do you walk too?
Yes, I walk after dinner. It helps me relax.
Do you use the subway here?
Not yet. I want to try it soon.
It is easy to use. I can show you.
Thank you. Do you like shopping malls?
Yes, I like looking at clothes and books.
Do you read books often?
Yes, I read before sleeping. Do you read too?
Yes, I read simple stories at night.
Do you watch TV shows in the evening?
Sometimes. I prefer listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. It helps me rest.
That is nice. Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook simple food. What about you?
I cook sometimes, but I also order food.
Do you drink tea at night?
Yes, I drink warm tea. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like mint tea. It is relaxing.
That sounds good.
Do you make plans for your day?
Yes, I write small notes on my phone.
I do the same. It helps me remember things.
Daily routines make life easier.
Leo, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a few. I like reading. What about you?
I like reading too. What books do you enjoy?
I enjoy short stories. They are easy to read.
That is nice. Do you also like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like calm music. It helps me think.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I do not. Do you play anything?
Yes, I play the guitar a little.
That is cool. Do you practice often?
Yes, I practice on weekends.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming and badminton. Do you like sports?
I like yoga. It is simple and relaxing.
That sounds good. Do you take classes?
No, I learn from videos.
Do you enjoy taking photos?
Yes, I take photos when I travel.
I take photos of food and buildings.
Do you like cooking as a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy cooking new dishes. Do you cook for fun?
Sometimes. I cook when I feel creative.
That is a nice hobby.
Do you try new hobbies often?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Me too. Hobbies make life interesting.
Yes, they make every day more fun.
Leo, do you play any sports these days?
Yes, I play pickleball. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. It is very popular now.
Do you play pickleball too?
I tried it once, but I am still a beginner.
That is okay. It is easy to learn.
Do you play on weekends?
Yes, I play every Saturday morning.
Where do you play?
I play at the community park near my home.
Is the court crowded?
Sometimes, but mornings are usually quiet.
Do you play singles or doubles?
I like doubles. It feels more fun.
Do you have your own paddle?
Yes, I have a simple one. Do you have a paddle?
Not yet. I want to buy one soon.
You can start with a basic one. It is enough.
Do you warm up before playing?
Yes, I stretch for 5 minutes. Do you warm up?
Yes, I do light stretching.
Pickleball is good exercise for everyone.
Do you get tired after a match?
A little, but it feels good.
Can I join you this Saturday?
Yes, of course. Come play with us.
Great. I want to practice more.
You will improve fast. Pickleball is fun and simple.
Leo, do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I started last month.
That is great. What do you train first?
I train my arms. I want stronger arms.
Nice. I train my legs on Mondays.
Do you use the treadmill?
Yes, it helps my legs and knees. Do you use it?
Yes, I walk for 10 minutes.
That is a good warm-up.
Do you train your back too?
Yes, I do simple back exercises.
I want a stronger back. My back feels weak sometimes.
Stretching helps the back a lot.
Do you train your shoulders?
Yes, I lift light weights for my shoulders.
I train my core. I want a stronger stomach.
Core training is very important.
Do your muscles feel sore after the gym?
Sometimes, but it means my body is working.
Do you have a gym partner?
Yes, my friend joins me on Thursdays.
Can I join you someday?
Of course. We can train arms or legs together.
That sounds fun. I want to learn more exercises.
No problem. The gym is easier with a friend.
Leo, do you order food for delivery?
Yes, I order food when I am busy. Do you order food?
Yes, I order food at least twice a week.
What app do you use?
I use a simple delivery app on my phone.
I use the same app. It is easy to use.
What food do you order most?
I order noodles and rice bowls. What about you?
I order sandwiches or salad.
That sounds healthy.
Do you read reviews before ordering?
Yes, I read reviews to choose good restaurants.
Do you order drinks too?
Yes, I order iced tea or juice.
Do you tip the driver?
Yes, I always tip a little.
Do you prefer fast delivery or low price?
I prefer fast delivery. What about you?
I prefer good quality food.
That is important too.
Do you track your order on the app?
Yes, I check the map all the time.
Do you eat at home after delivery?
Yes, I eat while watching a show.
Do you save leftovers for later?
Yes, sometimes I save half for dinner.
Ordering food is very convenient.
Yes, it saves time and energy.
Leo, do you buy Christmas decorations online?
Yes, I buy them every year. Do you buy them too?
Yes, I buy simple lights and small items.
Do you shop early for Christmas?
Yes, I shop in December. I want good prices.
That is smart. What do you want this year?
I want new string lights for my living room.
That sounds nice. I want a small Christmas tree.
Do you read reviews before buying?
Yes, I always check reviews. Do you?
Yes, reviews help me choose better items.
Do you use one app or many apps?
I use one app. It is simple.
I use 2 apps to compare prices.
Do you buy New Year decorations too?
Yes, I buy 2026 banners and gold balloons.
That sounds fun. I want a red tablecloth for New Year.
Do you decorate your home a lot?
Not a lot, but I like warm lights.
Warm lights make the house cozy.
Do you start decorating early?
Yes, I decorate 1 week before Christmas.
I decorate after I receive all my packages.
Delivery is fast in December.
Do you send gifts to friends?
Yes, I send small things. Do you send gifts?
Yes, I send cards and candles.
Christmas shopping always feels exciting.
Leo, do you buy new clothes for New Year's Eve?
Yes, I buy a new outfit every year. Do you buy new clothes too?
Yes, I like wearing something new for the new year.
What do you want to buy this time?
I want a simple black dress.
That sounds nice. I want a new shirt and a jacket.
Do you shop online or in the mall?
I shop in the mall. I like trying things on.
I shop online. It is fast and easy.
Do you check reviews before you buy?
Yes, reviews help me choose.
Good idea. I look at them too.
Do you buy shoes for New Year's Eve?
Yes, I need new shoes this year. What about you?
I want comfortable heels.
Comfort is important when you celebrate.
Do you choose bright colors or dark colors?
I choose dark colors. They look classic.
I choose bright colors. They feel fun.
Do you buy accessories too?
Yes, small things like earrings.
I buy a watch or a belt.
Do you finish your shopping early?
Not always. Sometimes I shop last minute.
I try to finish early. Stores get busy.
That is true. New Year shopping can be crowded.
New clothes make me excited for 2026.
Yes, they make the celebration feel special.